So this is going to be a complete tutorial on GetInvoice. As you can see, this is the dashboard and I have uploaded my first source, which is my Gmail account, and it has automatically extracted all of these invoices. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you could be doing the same. So before that, if you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi, and if you want to get GetInvoice at any time during this video, make sure you click the first link in the description, in which you will get a 10% discount if you are a new user to AppSumo, and also you could be getting my exclusive bonuses. So GetInvoice, if you don't know, it can automatically find, process and forward invoices and receipts to your accounting system. And it's best for accountants, freelancers and small businesses. And the features are GDPR compliant and AI. And the cool thing is that you could be doing integrations with Gmail, Google Drive, Outlook and QuickBook. So what happens is once you integrate with Gmail, and all of the invoices that goes to your Gmail will automatically come to this particular software over here. And all you have to do is just connect your Gmail and allow the access, and the invoice automatically comes in within like 10 seconds. Everything will come into your dashboard. So it's a pretty useful tool, and you could be doing this for Amazon as well. Suppose you're making a purchase on Amazon, and the Amazon receipt will also automatically come to this particular software. So there are a lot of things you could be doing with this, and any receipts, any vouchers also you could be adding to this particular platform. So there are all these features, you could go through them. And talking about the license here, so it really depends on what business you're doing. So the monthly extracted invoice, if your business has just 100, you could be doing $79, which is the license here one. So if you want around 250 monthly extracted invoice, you could be going with license tier 2. And here you could be doing almost 1,000. And here you could be doing almost 2,000 monthly extracted invoices. And the cool thing is that rest of the features are pretty much the same. So you get unlimited email accounts, unlimited web portals, unlimited bank reconciliation, then unlimited users. So that's the cool thing. And email accounts, it's not just one email account. You could be doing any email accounts as well. And if you didn't know already, you get a lifetime access for all the licensed here. So let's get to the tutorial or dashboard of GetInvoice. So this is how it looks. And what I did was I add sources. So you could be adding sources or you could be inviting users. So add source could be your Gmail account, or you could connect your Microsoft account or an iMac account in which you could be connecting any email providers. And after you connect your email, you could be easily extracting all of these invoices. So for the sake of the video, I have uploaded just this Gmail. So within about 10 to 20 seconds, all of these invoices would be easily uploaded to this particular platform, and you could have a look at them. And you could be easily inviting users. So you could be inviting unlimited users, and you could just copy this link and send to them. And also you could be uploading your bank reconciliation statements, your bank statements and all of that. And what it's going to do is that it's going to turn into a CSV file. So you can basically upload from your Google. So it's automatically going to be turning into a CSV file, and it's going to be shown here. So you could be doing that as well. And also there is a Chrome extension. You could easily install it. So suppose you have a purchase from Amazon or any other platforms like AliExpress. So what happens is these invoices will automatically be uploaded to this particular dashboard. And here you could be easily filtering out. So you could filter based on the tags, the email senders, the email recipients, then the invoice recipients. So you could be filtering out, and also you could be filtered by the time in a specific date, last year, maybe all time, you could be doing that. And also you could be manually uploading your PDFs, images and all of that. And then here you could be easily downloading any of them as CSV file or zip file. So those are some of the features, and here you could be searching as well. And also maybe let's look at the Wonderla ticket. So it cost me around 4,000 rupees, which is around $50, I believe. And the attachment here, you could be easily seeing the PDF file that has been sent to my Gmail. So that's a fantastic thing, and it has been downloaded. Maybe I'll show you. So these are the tickets, and this was sent to my Gmail, and this is also going to be shown here, which is the price amount. And also you could be viewing the invoice as well. So this is my invoice, as you can see, and it shows the invoice ID, the amount, the created date, the vendor information, the name, email, the country, then the file information. And you could be taking action. Maybe you don't want it and you can move to the excluded, and there are supporting docs, you could upload it, and there are tags. So tags is basically for finding your particular tickets. Maybe there is like recurring invoices that you're getting every single month. So you could be uploading a tab, maybe movies, and all of your movie invoices is going to be in this particular tag. So you have to just type in the tag and you can be getting all of your movie invoices. So that's how it works. And then let's go to this particular 3 dot over here. So this is also the same thing. Here you could be moving to the excluded. Then you have supporting docs, then you have tags, and you could be viewing in Drive. And also all of your excluded invoices would be over here and you could easily access it. So retroactive is a pretty simple feature. So what you could be doing here is that you could be finding all of your past invoices. Maybe there are invoices that hasn't been uploaded to the dashboard. So what you could be doing is you could be entering your start date and your end date. And between these dates, you will get all of these invoices from your Gmail account or whatever source that you're finding it from. So you could select account here, and you can be scanning all of the selected. Maybe sometimes some invoices won't be getting uploaded because of some technical issues. When that comes, you could be doing this and you could easily scan the selected and it will be automatically gone to your dashboard over here. And also, as I mentioned, there are a lot of integrations like Google Drive, Gmail account, which I have connected just now. And also Outlook, you have QuickBooks, you have Business Central, Google Sheet, you have Xero, then SAP and Telegram. And also guys, SAP is going to be coming soon. It's going to be launched in the market very soon. Now comes the insights, and here you could be seeing all of the total money spent or the total invoices. So these are my invoices and all the amounts are going to be shown in my insight section. So today I don't have any invoices. So let me keep it this here. So you can see all of my invoices and it's going to upload right now. So as you can see, it's 45 euros. So you could be changing the euros as well. So you could be seeing how much you spend over here. And also in the settings section, there are some main settings you want to change. Maybe you don't want euro or maybe you want USD. You can go for that. And you could be also setting your amount format settings. And you can see how it works over here. It's pretty easy. And you could be doing the automatic tagging. So you don't have to manually tag it yourself. They have the automatic tagging features, which is also great. And also at any time, you could be restoring it to default. And also the second setting is the file's name, and you could keep the current file format. You could be changing the components, you could be changing the date format, and again you could restore to default. And make sure you guys save it before you do all that. So you could be adding more sources as well as you could be adding more users. So it's unlimited for the plan. And also talking about the rules, so these are AI powered rules. Maybe there are certain rules that you really want to apply and it can be according to your wish. So based on your wish, you could be applying a random rule here and you can add the rule here. So you can see how the AI rule works over here. So there is sender filtering, document type and vendor name. And they show you the available input fields and the output field that you could be doing. So that's a pretty easy tool and you can set up your own AI rules. So it's very easy. It's not as complicated as sound. It's just like using any other AI tool out there in the market. So you have to type in the specific prompt in the form of rule and you can add the rule. And then comes the notification. So there are some notification settings. You could be adding that as well. So overall, I think GetInvoice is a fantastic software. It's really helpful for small businesses and it could easily add in all your invoices in a single click of a button, which is why I like GetInvoice a lot. So this is one of the better softwares out there in AppSumo and I really highly recommend it. And if you click through my link in the description, you could be getting a 10% discount if you are a new user to AppSumo. And also you could be getting my exclusive bonuses. So that's it and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.